Hi YouTube, this is Tara and welcome back to my channel. Okay, listen, I didn't do nothing this weekend but lay around. I'm a lazy bone sometimes. So I got 2 packages this weekend. This is from Walmart online. Okay, and then I got another pair of pants Walmart online that I ordered. I just ordered a couple of pants from Walmart online because I need to start sprucing up my wardrobe so that if I work in other offices, work in other places, that I have clothes. Because right now all my clothes are like homely looking clothes, you know, homely looking clothes. So these are a pair of pants that I bought. They're size 3X. I have not tried them on yet. I should try them on here, and it's a 4X really. Think I'm lying. What did I say? Okay, so they're real thin. I didn't know they were gonna be this thin. You really can't see through them, but you don't want to wear any color panties or prints or nothing like that. And these are just some leggings, okay? Leggings, right? With the waist. But let me show you, they was $9. So let me show you why I like these. And I want to get 2 pair, but I had ordered some other things, so I was like, no, let's not get 2 pair. Let's try these on, see how they like them. And you see how they got the tear in the front, and then it's on both legs. Ain't these cute? So I'm wondering, like, if I wash these, is it going to start to ruffle and fray? And these are the leggings in size 4X. Okay, and I ain't gonna try these on. I guess when I come back during lunchtime, maybe I'll try this on during lunchtime. Anything. And then this is my Slay Glam box, okay? I like it. It's only like $24. I'm thinking about joining Ipsy or either Boxy Charm. I used to be a subscriber of those, both of them actually. And then I canceled because of budgeting issues, okay? And I still have somewhat of a problem following a budget, just to be honest. So listen, this is the first thing I took out of the box, and I did open it to see what it was because I forgot. And then I have my Glam Light Chucky products coming. So I like the little handle on these. Okay. Okay, and so for those of you who don't know, this is a lash curler. So you put your lashes in here like this, and then you, wait a minute, cause y'all know I got a little small lash. Cause I feel like I'm pinching my skin. The reason why I'm pinching my eyelids. Okay, and you curl them, up like that. Now I don't know if y'all can see what they were like before, but that's what they like now. And then it came with Mano Beauty Simplified from Kadar. And this is a mascara. It's some and feel it seem like it's kind of dry to me. But this is what the wand looks like. And I'll probably use this little wand. Yeah, it's just saying sort of dry to me, but it's not, I guess. It's getting on the brush. So we'll use this hopefully during lunchtime. Well, you know what? I got an errand to run during lunchtime, so this is why I'm doing this now. I probably won't do makeup until tomorrow. My supervisor is on vacation, and I think she will be gone for 2 weeks. And most likely, she has asked the team leads to come in, which I hate because I don't need supervision. It's just these other people that I work with, they micromanaged, and they want, because we're all in one office, like 3 different divisions, let's say they're in one office. So they get micromanaged, so they want you to be micromanaged too. So then we have here, okay? So in here, we're gonna pull out the first thing, which is a Glam Perfect Liner, okay? And this liner is in red wine, or wine red. Never had a wine red liner before, I don't think. But this is what it looks like. So pretty. Look at the packaging. It's so nice, pretty Valentine's, right? This is February, and this is what it looks like. I'm not going to swatch it or anything right now, but if you just want to do a red and white look, or you could just do your white eyeshadow and do a red liner and be done. Something fun. And then you have Oakland lip gloss. Ooh, this is pretty. It's gold. Okay. Let's open it and see. Okay, it's mostly on this side. I guess I should swatch this because most likely I'm not going to use this in my look. Let me swatch something for y'all. Ooh. That's pretty. That's like a rose gold lip gloss. Look. And you probably can't see the rose gold on it, but yeah, that's nice. Wow. Well, I don't have enough to actually put on my lips, and I did not use my lip stuff today from Snow White. I didn't. I'm gonna try this intermittent fasting again, so I don't eat after 8 and don't eat before 9. So I didn't eat anything before 9 o'clock this morning, so it's after 9 o'clock now. And this is Manna Kadar Beauty Blossom Floral Compact. Now it says compact. So what normally comes in a compact, like a mirror and maybe some facial powder, right? So this is what it looks like on the outside, that nice rose gold. Isn't that pretty? Okay, and then it says Blossom Floral Compact. And then look. Let's take a, isn't that pretty? I really don't use blush at all. I do foundation. If I can get away with just doing my eyebrows and doing concealer on my lids to conceal dark circles and put some on my lips, I'm fine with that. So let me see. Let's do the light shade. Okay, let's do the darker shade. It smells, it smells pretty. 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 It smells pret I smell something. And then let's do this one. I might have did that twice. Did I do this pink? Let's do this pink, just in case I didn't. No, I didn't do the pink one. But this one in the middle here, it's taking a minute to kind of pick up. Now, of course, what you're supposed to do is swirl all of this around, right? And get a nice medium. And that's what it looks like on my skin. The one, that dark shade in the middle, it really disappeared. But you got that pink and you got that lighter shade. And let's see, can we get some more? But this is more like a deep rose color. Okay. Now you can kind of see. When I came in here, the lights were dark. It was dark in here. So that's that. Okay. I don't know if I'll be using this compact, but we'll see. This is the thing about getting subscription boxes, is that some of the stuff you get in these boxes, you just not gonna use at all. So let's see. It says I've been on here 11 minutes and then I've been gone. Let's see what time it is. Oh, it's time for me to go back. So let me wipe my hand off. And one more thing, last but not least. Now, of course, I'm saying that I ordered the Chucky palette, I ordered the Chucky mirror, and I ordered the Tiffany lippy. I didn't do the Chucky lippy, okay? And so then I got this palette called Scandal from Luella. And it's called Scandal, right? And this is the February box. And then it has this huge mirror. And then it has these nice colors. Now, I haven't done my research to tell you all how much this palette costs. I'm probably going to do it, but it's probably not as much as the Glam Light palette. Even if so, I got this in a subscription bag for $24 with all these other wonderful products. And the only product that I'm not too impressed with right now is the mascara, because it seems to be a little dry. Now, I know I expressed some concerns about the compact, but honey, that can easily be a one and done on my lids, because I don't use blushes, okay? You all may want me to start trying that, but you know, hey, that ain't my forte. And so these are colors that are in the Chucky and Tiffany palette. Most of these colors. Now these light shades like this, these light shades are not in there. But all these red and gray and black and plums, I don't know even if it's a brown, but it's a brown. This one is called Messy, Heartbreak, Confessions, Bad Behavior. And I hate that I don't get to swatch right now, because it's time for me to go back. And normally I would kind of swatch some of the shimmers, but I'm not going to even touch those. Now these shimmers right here, like this says Toxic Vibe. It's a shimmer, but it has like a red undertone to it, or I'm going to say a burgundy. So that may be okay. But Gossip, which is definitely like a red, I'm really not into red eyeshadows. I'm really not. And then here's one that calls Exposed, that has like a reddish pink shade to it. I'm just not really into the red shadows, period. But, you know, we'll give this palette a try. So we got this palette right here that's called Scandal from Luella. And I'm pretty sure it's going to be great. I think I've already seen some unboxings of the slayglambag for February. And mine was actually in the mailbox, because my items goes to my daughter. She don't check her mailbox often. So Then we got this rose gold lip gloss, which I can't wait to try. Then we have this red liner, which I can't wait to try, okay? And then it came in this pretty little bag with all the lips, pink and red lips on it. And then we have this eye kit with the eyelash curler and the mascara. So thanks for watching my unboxing. Also, we got the pants that we ordered from Walmart. The leggings with the cutouts. So we'll see how this goes. I probably won't be back anytime today to do any type of updates or anything of that nature. Oh, and we got the compact. I'm sorry. So this will probably be it for today. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. Thumbs up my video. Tell a friend about my channel. I love you for watching to the end. My hair is getting caught on my name tag thing. Bye.